Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Math with Kino. Today we have a word problem, and you should have seen it posted, but I'll go over it again. We're going to mix candies. We're going to pretend we're the owner of a store, and we want to make a 30-pound mixture of candy to sell for $1 a pound. So we're going to make a 30-pound mixture. OBS is the abbreviation for pound, so we're going to take a 30-pound mixture. That could be a little bit bigger. So we're going to take a 30-pound mixture, and we want our ultimate mixture of 30 pounds to sell for, it's going to be a mixture of two candies, and it's going to sell for $1 per pound. It could be like that, or you could say $1 per pound. However you want to do it, same thing. So one of our candies sells for 90, so we'll say candy 1, C1, sells for 95. I believe it was 95. Let's take another look, see. 95 cents per pound. And candy 2 sells for $1.10 per pound. Alright, so C1 equals candy 1, C2 equals candy 2. So we're going to take a certain amount of pounds, mix these together so that they sell for $1 a pound. Alright, so basically all this is we have two unknowns, so we're going to go with the system of equations. When we have two unknowns, the system of equations is the best method. Alright, so basically candy 1 is a little bit too high. Let's see, yeah, right about there. Candy 1 is going to equal X. Candy 2 is going to equal Y. Okay? So, we take the quantities, and X and Y is going to come out to 30 pounds. Alright, so X plus Y is going to come out to 30 pounds. And then we're going to assign candy 1 and candy 2 values, okay, per pound. So 0.95 X plus 1.1 Y, which is 95 cents, X, which is candy 1, 95 cents per pound. 1.1 is Y, candy 2, which is $1.10 per pound. And basically that's going to equal 30 pounds. Alright, now here's the thing for our system of equation. All this stuff is going to come out to $1 a pound. Alright, so I'm just looking this out. Alright, what I'm going to do is I'm going to assign or multiply equation 1 by negative 1.1. The reason why I want to do that is because we're going to wind up adding downward, and if we multiply this by 1, we're going to get negative 1.1x minus 1.1y equals 33, or negative 33. Alright, so what's going to happen is we're going to have negative 1.1 and 95, and that is going to give us negative 0.15. Sorry. These two cancel out, the negative and the positive, because we're adding down, and this results into 0.15x being equal to negative 3. And if we divide, X is going to be equal to 20. So 20 pounds of candy 1 And if 20 is the amount of candy one we're going to use to make a 30-pound mixture, then we can only use 10 pounds of Y. 20 plus 10 is going to equal to 30. Alright, so that's pretty cool how we came up with that, but I always encourage testing. You have to test it out, so no one can tell you you're wrong. So here's how we test it. We said we're going to use 20 pounds of X, which is candy 1. Candy 1 sold for 95 X, 95 cents per pound. Alright, and we said we're using 20 pounds of that. And then candy 2, which is $1.10 per pound, so we're using 10 pounds of that. Alright, I'm just checking out what my real estate is, how much room I have. And all we need to do is just multiply, and we'll come up with totals. Alright, so if we multiply 95, 20 pounds times 0.95, we're going to get $19 of candy 1. $19 worth if we use 20 pounds. And then if we take the 10 pounds and multiply that by $1.10, we're going to come up with $11. So 19 and 11 is going to give us $30 of candy, which we said that's going to happen. But what we need to do is we take the $30, right, and we have a 30-pound mixture, and we divide that by $30, and that comes out to $1 a pound. I'm just making sure I got my dollar in here, but this comes out to $1 a pound. When we divide 30 pounds by $30, this comes up to $1 per pound. And that's ultimately what we needed. So we tested it, and if I lost you during the testing, just go back and submit comments if you feel like I didn't catch that. But what we've done is we've actually set up a system of equation. We computed how much of candy 1 we needed in pounds, which was 20 pounds. So we could automatically infer that since 20 pounds of X, which is candy 1, we only need 10 pounds to make 30. So we have 20 pounds of the 95-cent per pound candy and 10 pounds of the $1.10 per pound candy, and that yields $30. And all we did was 30 pounds divided by $30 equals $1 per pound. So again, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.